morning everyone. I hope you are well. It's Rachel here and this is an Etsy update. We're in the new year and this is there are 4 new kits, 2 tags and 2 journaling kits. One is document style, one is horizontal. They're just botanicals. So this one is our document journal kit 5, so we've got 5 of them. Stef's been at it again. I absolutely love these, and I've also got the fabric done of these as well and love it. So I'll just show you. There's 8 pages as usual, and we've used a mix of public domain stuff and then our own things. Like this is, I have these beautiful antique wallpapers as well that you're going to see slowly coming into our kits. I just have to finish scanning them. So they're again beautiful antique wallpaper in the background, antique documents, papers, and then other images in the public domain. So I really love them. Old wallpaper, documents. That's also from our kits. We use that quite often. We love that. Oh, I accidentally printed on that side of it, but that's okay. It's ready to go. This one here. This one's one of my favorites. And then this one, and it printed crooked, so just ignore that. And then we did tags. Now these are slightly different tags. Now this tag kit, it's similar to the next one because the style is the same, but this one is going to be called Document Kit 5 tags. It's the tags that go with that kit. So I didn't know whether to follow on from the numbers of my other tag kits or that, but because it goes with this, we've named it, we're going to name it Document Journal Kit 5 tags. Okay, so you know that it goes with that kit. Doesn't matter, it can go with this kit as well, but it was made from the pages of those. And Stef has done slightly new designs with these. So again, 8 pages, and I asked him to do the bigger style tags, not the small ones. So I'll just show you those. And scope to decorate them, use them as the backings of tags as well. You can back them onto each other, some of them. So that's those ones. Then we've got a horizontal, it's just a botanical kit. So I don't do fancy names on my kits. They are what they are. So I just call it Botanical Kit 7. Even though it's a little bit different style to the other ones, I think I will be mixing them all in together, and look how gorgeous this is. Again, old wallpapers, public domain, that's my wallpaper, old documents, and then public domain images as well. So Stef's really gone to town. That's one of my wallpapers there and there. Just gorgeous. I love them. They're a little bit different. Similar but different. So again, 8 pages. That one. And then we've got the kit. For that one, I just called this Botanical Tags Kit 8. Gosh, already 8 kits of botanical tags. And it does go with this one. So I'll have them in the new section. I've got a new section called New in my Etsy store, so they're easier to find. That one, and that one, and the links will be in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody is well. I'll nearly be on my way back by the time you see this video, so that's good. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.